Welcome to 8040 Rio Bella Place. This single-family home is in a gated community. As you walk in, you're greeted by a grand foyer. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan. To the left is bedroom number 2. All bedrooms have carpeting, ceiling fans, and plantation shutters. Guest bath, wood cabinet, designer faucet, undermount sink, window for natural lighting that does open, tub shower combo with beautiful tile. 3rd bedroom, which is being used as an office. And into the main part of the home. First off to the right is the laundry room, cabinets and a sink. Also goes into the eat-in kitchen part. Both can be closed off by pocket doors. Dining room area. Great room with step ceiling. Custom built bar area with refrigerator. And the great room looks out over the pool. Designer kitchen, recessed lighting, wood cabinets, backsplash, gas appliances, stainless steel, and eat-in kitchen area, pantry. Again, access into the laundry room area and the 2-car garage. Then over into the master bedroom. Off to the right is the master bath, wood cabinets again, double sinks, undermount, granite countertops, window for natural lighting, water closet, walk-in shower, custom built with a seat, shampoo shelf. It's nice because you can turn on your water here, get it warm, and then step in. His and her closets, both are walk-in. Nice and spacious. Again, the flooring in this area is the tile. There's access out to the pool area from the master, which is nice. There's disappearing sliders, pavered area all around the pool. And it does have an area for an outdoor kitchen, pre-plumbed and set up for gas. And the homeowners have added a little area, little dog run.